First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create cinematic camera movements, start by deciding what feeling you want the camera to create in your scene. Before writing your prompt, think about the subject, action, camera position, movement, speed, and final composition. Now write a detailed prompt that includes the camera movement you want. For example, you could describe a cinematic scene of a character walking through a rainy city at night while the camera slowly tracks backward. Neon lights reflect across the wet streets, and soft atmospheric fog fills the background. You can experiment with different movements depending on your scene. A slow push-in can draw attention to a character or important object. A pull-out can reveal the larger environment. A tracking shot can follow a moving subject and create a dynamic feeling. An orbit movement can show a subject from multiple angles. An aerial movement can establish a location from above. When describing camera movement, also explain what the subject is doing. This helps create a more natural relationship between the camera and the action. You should also describe the lens or cinematic look when it is important to your scene, along with lighting, depth, composition, and overall mood. Generate the video and carefully review the movement. If the camera moves too quickly or in the wrong direction, simplify your prompt and describe the movement more clearly. Avoid combining too many complicated camera movements in one short scene. Instead, use one primary camera movement and make it support the story. You can then create multiple clips using different camera techniques and combine them during editing. Finally, review all your generated clips together.